Welcome to a sacred journey, a glimpse into the Divine Life Society, Sivananda Ashram, nestled in the Himalayan foothills of Rishikesh. Founded by the visionary sage, Swami Sivananda, this ashram is more than just a place. It's a spiritual sanctuary where timeless wisdom meets profound experiences. Set amidst the awe-inspiring beauty of Rishikesh, known as the yoga capital of the world, the ashram's location itself is a testament to its spiritual significance. At the heart of the ashram lies a deep spiritual philosophy rooted in the teachings of Swami Sivananda. It's a place where yoga, meditation, and self-realization take center stage. Visitors are welcomed with open arms, and there's a range of accommodations to suit everyone. The ashram offers well-equipped meditation halls and sattvic vegetarian meals that nourish both body and soul. Each day at the ashram is thoughtfully designed, with morning rituals, yoga, meditation sessions, and opportunities for selfless service, a holistic approach to inner growth. The ashram is not just a retreat, it's a hub of education. It offers courses, philosophy classes, and publishes spiritual literature that inspires and guides seekers worldwide. But it's not just about inner growth, it's also about giving back. The ashram actively engages in charitable work, providing medical services, and supporting education and scholarships. Join in the vibrant celebrations of festivals, and hear the transformative experiences of those who have walked this spiritual path. The ashram is committed to preserving the natural environment and offers spiritual guidance and counseling services to help seekers navigate their journey. Explore specialized retreats, immerse in cultural events, and witness the ashram's global impact in promoting spirituality and humanitarian efforts. The ashram fosters community engagement, faces challenges with resilience, and envisions a future where its teachings reach even wider horizons. As you step into this sacred space, may you find solace, inspiration, and the profound inner peace that comes from connecting with the divine within. As you've seen, the Divine Life Society, Sivananda Ashram in Rishikesh, is a spiritual haven waiting to be explored. To book your accommodation, access our detailed trip itinerary, and discover more travel tips, simply check the description box below. For regular updates and more insightful content on spiritual journeys and travel experiences, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.